What up, YouTube? We got some parts in. We're gonna install this today. This came in the mail. Took a while to get here, but now we got the tail light and the hoop. So what we're gonna do, back here, we're gonna keep this bar. I'm gonna cut right here, up the middle of this bar, and then sideways. And this is gonna come off, this is gonna come off, and we'll attach the bar pretty much, you know, like that. Alright, let's get to it. Show you how to do it. Alright, let's cut it up. Now sideways. Now let's take it off. Okay, there's one side. Right? Now we'll do the other side. Okay. Now go sideways. And there's our second piece right there. Now we're going to clean off the paint here so we have something to weld to. Now I'll show you. You see it's clean. We're ready to weld to it now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just put this in place. And I'm just going to put a couple tacks on it just to get it to the position I need it to be. Alright, we got it sitting there. Let's finish welding it now. Gets hot pretty quick. This is wet. Try to cool it down. It's getting on there now. Keep spotting it. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. Okay, it's on there now. She's on there now. We'll come back, I'll sand some of this, clean it up, and then we'll paint it so it doesn't rust. Okay, I'm gonna put some tape. Some tape in this rear light here. Like that. I'm going to cut the tape off around the light. And pull this part off. Okay. Now let's put some paint on there so it doesn't rust. Okay, we'll let that dry. We got the taillight in. Next step, we got to build all the hoop back in, the fiberglass cowl, seat, and then paint. We're almost done with this bike. And we got to install the carbs.